Friends, a fresher civil engineer makes the biggest mistake of his life. When one wants to make a career in the design field, he starts learning from online tutorials available for free. Friends, if you want to make your career in the design field, then free knowledge will not work for you. You should have industrial knowledge. Only then and then you can make your career, and free knowledge will not give you industrial knowledge. Hello friends, this is Alok Sasane. I am the founder of a fresher engineering community. Every year to around 3000 students, I give guidance to them on how to enter the design industry. And now all my students are earning good salaries by doing jobs in multinational companies. Friends, as soon as this video is over, I am also going to talk to you personally on the phone. And I'm going to tell you the secret mantra, that is how to get a job in design and what will have to be done for it. The knowledge of engineering degree in industry only gives you an overview. You cannot earn money from a degree. This is a fact. You know the knowledge of some fluid mechanics, drawings and other subjects, but can you make an industrial project with this knowledge? Think about it, guys. Can you make a high-rise building? Not only this, can you make a detailed erection drawings of the industry? You have to accept the truth. There is a big misconception of fresher civil engineers that if I learn software, then I become a design engineer. Friends, after learning software, you do not become a design engineer. Know this, understand, and not about which I am going to talk further. Friends, not only this, even if you learn the commands of the software in any institute, still you will not be able to make industrial drawing. Whenever you make industrial drawing, it is called industrial skill, and this skill will get you a job. There are many software training institutes available in the market, and in the name of job guarantee, you will learn the command of software, and after going to the interview, you have to face a rejection. My advice is to stay away from the institute teaching the command of software. You should learn in the same institute in which industrial projects are taught to you. One day is enough for you to learn the command of the software. No one will tell you this truth, and in the name of teaching command, you will waste more than 1 month of your valuable time. Friends, the same thing happens when you learn online free tutorials. My dear fresher engineer, just a certificate will not get you a job. Just as you do not get a job on your engineering degree, getting a software certificate will also not get you a job in industry. The industry needs an employee to solve their projects. You need to learn that same skill. Friends, listen carefully to me. Why do you do engineering degree? Because you think that I will earn a good money by getting this skill set. In the same way, you have to think that I have to earn industrial skills in software. With this industrial skill, you can earn money throughout your life, and not with an engineering degree. Okay, understand this and trust me, guys. If engineering degrees used to get jobs, then today many engineers would get jobs. You have to understand why all civil engineers do not get jobs, because they do not acquire industrial skills. This is one of the reasons. Otherwise, there is no shortage of jobs. You talk to any successful engineer in the industry and ask them whether they got a job because of your degree, or did you learn industrial skills, that's why you got the job. I think you have understood my point, and from now on you will not run after free online tutorials, nor will you go to any institute and waste money and time to get a certificate of software. Friends, understand that industrial skill of this software will earn you money till lifetime. You will get the job. The industrial needs skillful employees and they are looking for you. Don't run after success, that means getting the only certificate. If you have industrial skills, then success itself will keep running towards you. Okay, the friends, how did you like this video? And if you have some questions, then you will definitely tell me in the comment box. I will definitely reply to your question. To participate in the upcoming free live webinar, you can register your name by visiting the link given in the description box. If you want to contact me, then you can call or message on the WhatsApp number given in the description box. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.